birding advice for newbies, like, you know, I don't think you can really give advice. It's birding, you know, you take the picture, you look at the bird. It's really nostalgic. I think everybody's got to find it out on their own. I mean, your main problem might be trespassing, but it's important you get the shot. I mean, I've had the cops call on me a couple times for walking in people's yards, but I'm birding. It's important. You have to do it. See right there, almost missed something. American bluebird. It's great. What do I do with the pictures? I mean, they're timeless memories. I mean, I've seen so many birds. Like on a bird hierarchy, I'm all the way up here. Whereas beginning birders are like penny sandwiches. You know, I've spent years honing my craft. Just every shot, every bird. You know, journaling, pictures. That's where it's at. You gotta be at the top.
What if you were the only birder left? To be continued.